Hello. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
So like what? Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, I heard that airbag also like
Later. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel again. Ngasigi weather sidi nong churi tawraga kano tawre aigi khonju yadre. Maybe because of the weather I nong chodure bako adigi khonju yadre. Because in this video it's going to be a very special one. Because today I'm gonna meet somebody which is very important. She is also an example of woman empowerment, if I may. So she's a writer from Kerala, and she is just 19 years old. Her name is Amruta Joshi. I'll leave her Instagram link on my description, and it's very inspirational how, you know, is in such a young age and also a lady. She has come all the way from Kerala to tour the whole Northeast. Let's try to meet her, and I hope to all the people of Manipur, especially the women, to get inspiration from her. Oh, stock delay malini. The new stocks has arrived. I see her bike. So that's her bike. Unfortunately, she went to her hotel, I guess, so I can't meet her now. But look who's here. So I met Hector Kamay guy.
Hello guys.
Yeah.
Subscribe to Mr. Ryan Keishing. Don't forget to subscribe
Okay.
to channel too.
Thank you. Bye. So that was Hector Kamay guy. Please do subscribe his channel if anybody who hasn't from my subscription hasn't subscribed to him yet. So ang boy na tabak kara sa tuwi ga. Tuwi ne ba duso? Nasa ba tuwi ne? Drag race masama ubi rin mo. 300 ko hal din. Liter mo kati भयो ad la. So Amruta Joshi, I just talked to her, and actually we couldn't meet at the KTM servicing center, so actually I had some work that I had to leave, but now I'm going to meet her someplace. Ne? Ha. हाँ वो केरला से है ना एक लड़की मेरा रायन केशिंग सब्सक्राइब मार दिया। आप कहाँ से हैं?
मैं वेस्ट बंगाल से।
वेस्ट बंगाल से। इतना दूर काम करना है
हाँ मैं काफ़ी दिन हो गया मणिपुर में मेरा
अच्छा ऊगी लेत्रा hey hello nice to meet you yeah yes yeah we have clubs we have lots of clubs it seems they don't have an idea about you actually that's why I'm going to introduce you to them seriously I like really appreciate what you're doing and all no that's why I wanted to meet you in person that's why so just ask some quick questions for my viewers so your full name please Amrita Joshi okay so how old are you 21 oh 21
Yes.
that's quite young so and you're riding a KTM right
Yeah.
okay let's go near your bike yes. So what made you choose KTM
Like I'm crazy about it. I don't know why. But yes, I'm crazy
Slay.
about it.
good and it's reliable too actually it's reliable too no yeah and see that's my bike
Okay.
and so Norris you have which states have you toured already you've been to Meghalaya right Meghalaya
Meghalaya, then Tripura,
Tripura
now in Manipur, Mizoram, and
Okay.
in Seven Sisters I have 2 more states
okay Arunachal
and Arunachal Pradesh.
okay that's
So after completing that, my Seven Sister ride will be complete.
complete yeah and that's pretty far from here again no Arunachal is going to be a like challenge for you actually
It's
the road can
one of my friend today it's like -5 degrees.
it's very cold yeah
Yes.
yeah and then even the road conditions are not that good I'm telling you yeah and even this Manipur Jiribam I think you must have faced some problems
It was like
imagine that's the life
half shoe was like in the water.
Arey.
Completely gone.
yeah it's but still that's the whole point for journey for this bike journey right
Challenging. I
Yeah.
am challenging.
yeah looks like it's so what's your plan tomorrow
Tomorrow I want to go to More.
More
Yes.
More is like yeah you can visit even the Burma also
Okay.
yeah but I hear there's some disputes going on
Yeah.
in Burma so you need to be careful
Okay.
and yeah and then how long are you staying here
Like tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'm leaving to Nagaland.
okay
But I wanted to try traditional dress of Manipur. So
okay
Can you just suggest me where can I get?
okay that one I can arrange
Okay.
because here mostly everyone has their traditional dresses and all no so you have to
Tomorrow.
yeah I can get it by tomorrow
Okay.
like we have lots of tribes here around so I'll bring you what I have for my sisters they have so I'll arrange that for you
Okay.
yeah so then tomorrow you'll be going to More
Yeah.
uh,
Tomorrow early morning around 7 I'll be going.
hmm.
So I can come early.
Okay actually there's this you've been to Loktak yesterday right
Yes.
so after that actually if you had visited this Kangla is a like birthplace of this this state Manipur so yeah there's lots of histories and there are statues and relics and all those monuments and all it would have been much fun if you've been there like actually the whole day you've been resting that's why or else you could have been there no it was a very nice place actually final question will like your thoughts about Manipur how is it like what's your experience
Like I felt like in Northeast,
Yeah.
complete Northeast, not only Manipur, in
Yeah.
Northeast the people are very friendly and very pure by heart.
yes
So I don't get scared if I lost also.
Yeah.
The people is very helpful.
yeah
So बहुत खुश हो जाता हूँ.
thank you for that and your message for the people of Manipur or especially the women. Especially, it's very encouraging that you're very young at your age. You have traveled the whole Northeast. You're traveling, so like what?
Like, yeah, riding is matlab, like, you have to explore. You
Yeah.
have only one life, so just live for yourself, not to others.
Yeah.
So just live like what you dream, just achieve it. So come out from your comfort zone.
Okay. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
How old is your bike?
Like in last June I bought it.
Last June, so it's brand new actually, you know?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Like those are groups, like your riding groups?
That's like, this is from Darjeeling Riders.
Darjeeling.
This is from Siliguri.
Okay.
This is from Silchar.
Silchar.
This is from Meghalaya.
Okay. Maybe I'll provide one from Manipur riders tomorrow.
Okay.
I didn't bring it to myself today.
I'll be loving that.
Okay.
Riders love stickers, right?
Yeah, it's really nice to meet you.
Thank you.
So, and all the best for your future journeys as well. Okay. So that was pretty much it for today. And really appreciate Amrita Joshi, also known as Nimi, for... Oi! Ah! Thank you, that's all. Wow. Cái này nó sang cái tàu sẽ spectra sana đâu vậy? À. Sao bây giờ tôi nè? Cái sao lên đâu? Walking sakit. Wah, này đi.
Ay, kan bra ka.
Kang eh, maya khar kang zale na.
Ay, kan bra.
Chin khar che labo.
Ato na siya lenda ato na. Masuwa ay.
Ano na sen thu ro?
Sa sin no masu. Ay su bullet loy, ay bullet sem loy daw re. No masu right to.
Hanagi kano dro.
Ay ko to.
Ari ba da? Adu do thau dro ne. Nupa thok ba.
Ya yeta ban mi da. Ay semi.
Oh.
Kan masana sem ge na ko. Sa kitang sang na ko.
Sem do adum bo de school ne goal.
Mane adu mo na me am pan na dam ni ko.
Adu ne. Masi magi restaurant ni Shawarma Hut hai che. Shawarma se jaga thai de phang de shawarma khang da ka di ai ha ra rồi. Mayam na dum ying biyo Shawarma Hut. Shawarma se kari oi ge do. Yam ha uni dum akhoi. Back again. Kasi within arangi video to like I bet you talk with I couldn't fulfill the whole day's vlog, so I'm continuing this from my last videos. It's really wonderful, and thank you to Amrita Joshi, also known as Nimi, for letting me interview you, for giving me the chance to meet you. And so it's really what you're doing, what she is doing. It's really a wonderful job. Like it's very rare at that age. Yang ada riding football guys. Solo the mana tadi je. Happy Kerala dagi. Both seven sisters sematu to get the kolok whatever. So it's really wonderful what she's doing, and I really appreciate. And I, on behalf of Manipur, would like to congratulate you already for your success in traveling on the bike. So that is it for today's video, and I think I'll wind up my video right about now. And thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Videos in Nuai Kalagadi, Kane Kalagadi, Mayam like button the Namiramo, and please do leave a comment. And for those who are new, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. And so now I'll be doing my next vlog. Bye bye. Thank you.